Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. It's your girl Star Flames, and we are back with another video. So if you're new, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell, and join the family. While you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and help your girl out. Now guys, in this video, we're gonna talk about Jay-Z's Roc Nation response to Tony Buzbee filing a motion today begging the court not to place any sanctions against him. Now, in case you're not aware, a lot has been going on with Jay-Z and his accuser lawyer, Tony Buzbee. Now, Tony Buzbee accused Jay-Z of doing unpleasantries to the VMA Bandit, and many people say it's just that the VMA Bandit got the year wrong because even though she has 2000 in the lawsuit, the allegations match closer to 2003. However, Jay-Z wasn't at the event in 2003, so I don't know how Tony Buzbee is going to spin this because 2000 is not adding up. 2003 is not adding up as to where Jay-Z is concerned. Now also, Jay-Z's attorney, Alex Spiro, is saying that Tony Buzbee has been caught in so many lies, and Tony Buzbee said to the court he was going to have his clients do a polygraph. However, the client hasn't done the polygraph and no result has been handed to them. But Tony Buzbee, honestly, he's not doing justice by his client because if you guys know polygraph, they're not accurate. So I don't know what he's saying. And even the court knows it's not accurate. And also, why would you have your client do a polygraph instead of you doing more discovery? It says this girl has to be fighting her case, representing herself. And it really shows you about Tony Buzbee's qualities. As I've said, and I've told you guys, he's using this accuser to promote himself. I honestly believe that is what he's doing because that's all I see him doing. He's not doing his legwork. If he was doing his legwork, if he was doing his homework, he wouldn't have given Jay-Z and his legal team that many leg room to call out so many inconsistencies. And as Roc Nation say, it is baloney on his end at this point. And it's so true. And this is why Roc Nation is not focused on the accused. They're focused on him. They have to be tactful. It's all PR. They cannot, go at the accuser like that. They have to go at Tony Buzbee. Remember, this girl has special abilities, so they have to be tactful in how they respond. So they know this, and it's why they're dragging Tony Buzbee through the mud. Let's talk about their recent post because yesterday they made a post. They were the first to tell us Tony Buzbee was going to get arrested. In case you guys have missed that, well, some of the information against him, it has been checked out to be true because Tony Buzbee is saying to the court, listen, Jay-Z's actions is just malicious, and I believe he's behind my new legal demise. Yes, Jay-Z is definitely behind his new legal demise. That's true, because I could see it coming, and I can see how they orchestrated it. Check out my video guide that I uploaded before. I told you how they orchestrated it. However, while Jay-Z is behind his current demise, it doesn't dismiss the fact that he himself did something to a woman that should have never happened. No, what had happened was he started dating one of his clients. The clients accused him of giving her a venereal disease. And not just that, the client also said they were at a bar and Tony Buzbee shoved a champagne flute in her face and she ended up with bruises, She had to go to the dentist to fix a chipped tooth, and she filed a police report against Tony Buzbee over a month ago, which means she's not, doing all of this because of Roc Nation. She's doing it partially because of them, but she filed a police complaint against Buzbee over a month before Roc Nation stepped into the picture. So Buzbee has no one to blame for abusing a woman, allegedly, other than himself. Because if he didn't have the police report filed against him, JAYZ'S, and his dirty team, they wouldn't have found it. I told you, they are showing dominance over him. So a police, I believe, allegedly, from the Houston Police Department, allegedly, JAYZ'S people reached out to them, and I believe they are pulling these files on Tony Buzbee one by one. So Tony Buzbee is now begging the court not to place any sanctions against him. After Tony Buzbee's motion this morning, Roc Nation is clapping back on their Instagram page because they've been doing a lot of that since recently. They're saying, Mr. 1-800 said today that Roc Nation is criminally responsible for his legal woes with ex-client, ex-lover, who is accusing him of transmitting venereal diseases, assaulting, falsifying documents, and stealing client monies. No, God is behind that sunlight, and you keep referencing, we are not the source of sunlight that you get, but Roc sunshine is coming your way, Mr. 1-800. Shameful. No, it sounds similar to the post that they made yesterday, but it's not. I can reassure you. I've been keeping up because yesterday in their post, they were like, oh, you're going to get arrested. You will be arrested. That's what they were saying. So the response today, it is not the same. They're just trolling the heck out of him. They want to get under his skin because they know that they have Buzbee exactly where they want him. And this is why I say he should have never given them this much leg room. He should have never given them this much opportunity. And as such, I have to say that he has to take accountability for this because he's the one who has been flaky and he's getting caught in his flaky mess. That's all we have to share in this video with you guys. It is your time to chime in. What are your thoughts? While you're at it, remember, give this video a big thumbs up, share, stay safe, and see you guys in the comment section. Peace.